something.
What's that?
A ring.
What does that mean?
I found it.
Really?
No. Greg proposed.
Get out!
He did.
He did not.
He did too.
No, he didn't.
Yeah. On a boat. And I was angry at him.
Explain the whole thing.
Really? Right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, he took me out on a boat. You're gonna edit this so that I'm like saying all kinds of crazy. No. So I'm saying all kinds of crazy things. Yeah. We were out on the boat, and I didn't want to. Taught me how
Is
to.
that Greg?
Yeah, that's great.
Okay.
He taught me how to row, and so I was rowing us back because I didn't want to be out too deep. And then we got back, and he was like, "Oh, well, let me just turn around." I'm like, "Okay." And then he turned it around, and I'm like, "What are you doing? Why are we going back out? I don't want to go back out." And he's like, "Oh, I'm just rowing." And I'm like, "No, this is stupid." But the whole time he's like talking about all these like old times, and then he's like, the first year seldom work with you was really special because blah blah blah. And he's like, the second year is really special because blah blah blah. I'm like, this is great. I don't care. I'm like, I need to go back because I'm. I'm like, I need to go back because I'm feeling nauseous. And he was like, "Oh, I'll just stay here a few minutes." And I'm like, "No, I want to go back." Oh, and in the meantime, we had pulled back and Kayla had gone over there because she knew what was going to happen. And I said, "Oh, Kayla, do you want to come in the boat?" And I saw him go like this to her. And so when we pulled away, I'm like, "You're so rude. Why would you shake your head at her?" Like I was yelling at him and I was being mean. I'm like, "Why is he reminiscing? Why is he talking about all these stupid things?" And then he said some other nice things and then he proposed. And I said yes, and I laughed and cried at the
I
same
don't remember
time.
anything.
I don't really either. It was all a daze. And now I need to vomit.
Oh, wow. That's a good ending right there.
And so ends today, August 1st, 2010.
Oh, and it's our 11-month anniversary. So good timing.